So we're given this equation 60m minus c plus 75 equals 0, which is our equation for renting hospital beds, where c represents the cost in dollars, which depends on m, the number of months that the bed is rented for. And we're asked to express this equation in y equals mx plus b form, which as they've given us is c equals mn plus b. As we've done before, to take an equation in standard form and put it into y equals mx plus b form, the main objective is to simply isolate for y. In this case, we need to understand that m is practically our x variable and c is our y variable. And the reason for that is because c, which is the cost of the rental, is dependent on m, which is the number of months. In other words, m is the independent variable, right? So x doesn't depend on anything, but c, the total cost of the rental, does depend on m. In other words, y depends on x. So we need to isolate for c. Let's start by moving everything else onto the other side of the equation. Minus c equals minus 60m minus 75. And finally, let's divide both sides of the equation by -1 to give us c equals 60m plus 75. Now we have our equation in y equals mx plus b form. Let's identify the fixed and the variable costs. We can think of a fixed cost much like our y-intercept. In this case, that would be 75, which means even if m equals 0, even if the bed is rented for 0 months, maybe less than a month, maybe even a few days, but 0 months, we'll always have $75 integrated into the cost. Whereas the variable cost, which is the other component of this equation, 60m, that $60 depends on how many months the bed is rented for. That means the cost depends on the number of months the bed is rented for, whereas the 75, even if m equals 0, it'll always exist. Next, let's move on to illustrating this relation graphically. Let's start by drawing our axes. And we've learned that the y-intercept is 75 and our slope is 60. It's positive and frankly quite large, so it'll be pretty steep and it's going to pass through our y-intercept here. And let's finally label this graph to give us c equals 60m plus 75. And finally, we're asked, what is the rental cost if a hospital bed is rented for 5 months? In other words, what is c when m equals 5? Let's plug in m as 5 to c. c times 5 plus 75 equals 60 times 5 is 300 plus 75 equals $375.